Hello OneMinuteLab. Today we will see how we can create global vNet pairing in Azure portal. So let's move to Azure portal. As you can see, we are in Azure portal. To achieve this task, we need two different vNets in different regions. In Azure services, click on virtual networks. Here you can see we have two different networks with the name of test-vnet01 and test-vnet02. Test-vnet01 is created in East US and test-vnet02 is created in North Europe. If I click on test-vnet01, you can see address space for this network is 10.2.0.0/16. Similarly, if I go to vnet02, you can see address space is 192.168.0.0/16. Similarly, we have created two different virtual machines. Now click on virtual machines. Here you can see we have one virtual machine with the name of Europe-VM and one virtual machine with the name of US-VM. If I click on US-VM, you can see the location of this virtual machine is East US and private IP for this virtual machine is 10.2.0.4. Similarly, if I click on Europe-VM, you can see the location of this virtual machine is North Europe and private IP address for this virtual machine is 192.168.1.4. Here I have accessed both virtual machines using RTP. If I go to USVM, you can see the name for this virtual machine is USVM. If I go to CMD and ping my Europe VM, which has an IP address of 192.168.1.4, you can see this machine is not pinging. Similarly, if I go to Europe VM and open CMD and ping my US VM 10.2.0.4 and hit enter, you can see this machine is also not pinging because these both machines are in different regions and also have different virtual networks. So we need to create pairing between these two networks. For this, go to home and click on virtual networks. Now click on test-vnet01. Here click on pairing. Now click on add. Here in pairing link name, provide any name which you want for this pairing. Scroll down to remote virtual network, which is your Europe network. Also provide the name for this pairing. Virtual network deployment model must be resource manager. Now scroll down to virtual network, click on drop down menu and choose your test-vnet02 and click on add. As you can see, our vNet pairing is added successfully. Now if I go to US VM, here you can see now our Europe VM is pinging. Similarly, if I go to Europe VM, here you can also see our US VM is pinging. Hope you like this video. See you in next video.